Okay, so what I need to do now is borrow your dowel, please. This is the length of this horn is actually just slightly longer than this dowel because it's an 18-inch piece of wire, and this dowel's not quite that big. So at least I know how big to cut it, and I'm eyeballing it. All I'm doing is knowing it's skinny at this at the pointy end and wide at wide down here. So we're basically just kind of, it doesn't match exactly. It's okay because I actually I'm actually going to be putting piping on it and adding another piece to it and stuff. This isn't quite the way it's supposed to be. But okay, this needs to be just a hair thicker right here.
All right, I'll be back.
Thank you. You've got a rolling pin and fondant smoothers. I have them all here.
Okay.
Mary's going to go and cover my cake because I don't have time. So that's what assistants are for. Okay. So my water. Sometimes you need water, sometimes you don't. Depends on if your chocolate's sticky.
Oh, let me take a dust cup with me.
And I don't know if you need shortening or not. Whoops. Boy, that's nothing important. Oh, that's all right. Okay. Whoops. So what I've got going on here is lay it on the top. Lay it on the top. You can adjust it. Smooth. And then around the sides, like so. Okay. And it's best if you use some sort of glove because the chocolate melts in your fingers as you are holding it every time. See? So it's good to have your chocolate gloves on. I got no assistant now. I got spoiled. Okay. And then what I do while I've got it still soft is I want to make that pretty even. So it looks like we've got a little too much here to make a nice gentle curve. There we go. Just like so. That's why I wasn't too concerned about how I cut it. Okay, and then same with the other side. Oh, I got chocolate on that. You know. And as you can see, I have a little too much here, so we'll just cut that just like so. There. Okay. And then I need to do the bottom because the bottom is going to be gold. So I will lay this down. And this is where that dummy really comes in handy because what I was doing before is I was taking the wires and sticking it into my dummy so that it would dry, nice. It would dry nice and smooth. And the underneath part is gold. So we're going to do the same thing again with gold. Heat it up. Roll it out.